not to shape the rules of this House, and in order to improve decorum and all of that, so that we don't have a situation where when the President is addressing, then there's a whole flurry of point of orders and all of that. Now, if you have a situation where, despite those rules to try and maintain order in this House, you then have a President that was part of an impeachment process that now continues to mock our party leader here in Parliament.
Honourable Manyi, that is...
We have a problem. The President
that is a question of debate. It is not a point of order.
The President cannot continue to keep mocking our party leader as a judge when he knows that they participated in a process to unfairly impeach him. Now he impeaches him on the one side and he mocks him again.
Honourable Manyi,
cannot be allowed.
Honourable Manyi, that is... Mr. President, we still have another point. Honourable Blakudi.
Thank you very much, Honourable Speaker. The order on the order paper is questions to the President. It doesn't allow anyone to make statements other than the follow-up questions. So if the Honourable Manyi had something to say against the President, something to say, he must bring in the substantive motion to this House. Thank you very much.
You are quite correct. That is the process, Honourable Manyi. If you do have a point to be made, it is a substantive motion, but in any case, I have dismissed that point. We will now proceed with the third supplementary question, and it will be asked by the Honourable Manyi.
I'd like to say to Honourable Manyi and indeed to Honourable Hlophe that if my reference to the title is offensive, I apologize and I withdraw. So it's not a matter that one should articulate if it is found to be offensive. And I guess maybe because of having been legally trained, when you see another person who's been legally trained, you have that tendency of wanting to ascribe certain titles to them. So I apologize and I withdraw. Coming to Honourable Malema's question, no.
Honourable members, Honourable President, I have to remind you it was the Honourable Maimani's question.
Wabona kore. Honourable Maimani's question about why one or we would continue to meet people like General Dagalo. As a country, we've often said that in order to foster peace, we should be willing to meet those who are involved in conflict situations. And that has been